As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and the Bitcoin doing exactly like how else we told you. Remember what else we told you? We told you we got here the down channel like that. If it's getting broke here, we told it's going to be representing here a bullish flag, which is that one here. And as you said guys, the Bitcoin it's breaking the top of that flag, that very bullish sign. Now let's see if that Bitcoin from here going to break for us that last high here, that number one scenario. Second scenario just going to touch it, then after that to dump. Even that one it's possible guys. By the way guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes, of course if you're supporting us, so make sure to smash that like button which is down and to write with it a comment if it's possible. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you want to join our community guys, down in the description of that video, if you want to support us, as you see it, that the link of our Patreon. If you want all the resources and the links, here it is. If you want a free candlestick or Japanese candlestick course, you can find it in our community Discord. If you want to join our community Telegram, here it is the link of it. So all the resources, you're going to find them down in the description of that video. And if you're facing any problem, we will be ready to help you. You can text us in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links, you can find them here. Here it is, that the free Discord, guys. And that the free Telegram link. You can join us. The links, all of them, they are down. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. As you see, guys, here the Bitcoin, it's breaking for us that top of the down channel here. That one here, as you see it. Now we're breaking the top of it here. What that meant to you? It meant one thing, my friend. It meant that the Bitcoin is going to go more higher than that. That number one scenario. Second scenario, as me I told you, is going to touch that zone here. And it's going to dump like how it happened here in the past, as you see it here and here. Even that one is a scenario, so me I give you here for long and for short. Yes, it's not a financial advice. If you want to see behind the scene what else we doing, we told you what to do. Now here, what we got that one here. You can make it like that, guys, like a wage here. That one here now is a wage. You can make it like that, guys, is a wage here. That wage, if it's getting broke above here, that means that Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Second scenario, from here, going to fall down to test the lower of that wage here. Even that one is possible. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here. We touched yesterday the 50 moving average. As we tell it to you, we told you we touched very stronger zone. We touched the 50 moving average. Plus, based on the volume profile, we touch it here. As you see it, we didn't show it to you in yesterday's video. Look what happened today. We pump again. People there with me, we gave them to take an action from down here. Even you can be one of them if you want. Now here, what we got? A very stronger zone. As you see it, guys, we touch it here. Now let's see what's going to happen. There is one of two. Either we're going to touch it here. Then from here, we're going to go back to touch that 50 moving average because there is no volume those days. Second scenario, that Bitcoin going to break for us the all-time high and going to give us a new all-time high. Even that one, it's possible. So I think I explained it to you here in daily from all the sides. Now let's go into see Bitcoin Fair and Grid Index, Liquidity Heat Map, Bitcoin ETF, and the coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it together, guys. Here we are, guys. That the Fair and Grid Index. The Fair and Grid Index today is at 73. That's meant high grid today, as you see it here in front of you. What that meant to you? It meant one thing, maybe that the top. It's not a financial advice, guys. I said maybe, I haven't said 100%. So if you want to enter based on your analysis, and you would take all the responsibility. So as you see it in front of you, 73, everything is in front of you. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF, what happened today. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin ETF, what happened today. As you see, yesterday, we've been waiting our friend BlackRock and Fidelity. BlackRock yesterday, they haven't buy and they haven't sell. Fidelity yesterday, they sold 1.61k Bitcoin. Today, what happened? Our friend Grayscale today, they bought plus 327 Bitcoin. BlackRock, as every day, it always came the data of them late. Fidelity, it came here 1.74k. ARK Investment, 785 Bitcoin. BITB, they bought 614. Bitcoin, they bought 93. And the hodls, they bought 51. EasyBC, they bought 89 Bitcoin. And Grayscale Mini, they bought 156 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought today, 3.86k Bitcoin. But we don't got the data of BlackRock. Is going to come late today. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map to know the levels. You need to look close at them. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. That's the liquidity heat map. Here in the liquidity heat map, as you see it in front of you, we don't got a lot of liquidity above compared to here. So what is it, the view? Maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down here to grab liquidity from down. That's possible. Second scenario, from here, going to go more higher and to grab even that liquidity above. But for us to know the clear direction, as every time also we go from here from 24 hours to weekly like that. Here in the weekly, guys, we got a different picture here. As you see, we got a lot of liquidity above here or stops above here. Down here, we don't got a lot compared to above. Now let's see which one going to be liquidated first. I think is going to liquidate those ones above. But let's see which one of them has got a lot of volume. Either those ones down or those ones above, because here any direction it can go to it. We don't got a direction where there is no stops a lot. So everything is in front of you guys. I'm so sorry we can't say a lot of things here. If you want to contact me, to chat to me, and even with other members, we told you what to do. All the links are down. Now let's go into see the coming news of today. Coming news of today, guys, as you see that the news we got today, today is it early close. The market is going to close at 1 o'clock GMT time for USA holiday. Then we got average hourly earning of USA, initial jobless claim, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, SP Global Service PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing. So is it a big day today, guys? The only thing, the market is going to be closed, but the data is going to come before the market close. So you need to be careful, my friend. How is the market going to react to that data which is going to come? All of it, majority of it is going to come at 12:30 GMT time. Over here is our friend. That table of us we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, guys. The Nasdaq plus 0.94. The SP 500 closed the day green. The Dow Jones closed it red, but not major dump, 0.02%. Our friend here, the VIX, as you see it in front of you, 16.64. That's mean everything's still looking fine. It hasn't bottomed yet. Based on the historical tell, it reached to 12. But everything can happen. So if you're holding, keep holding. There is nothing, no harm going to happen to you. It hasn't bottomed yet. It's still going more higher. So I think I explained everything to you. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today. 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, as you see it here. Level, also we are in a very strong level. We touch it here. The candle here is showing to us maybe it's going to down, but the good news now, also we are above then all those moving averages here. Let's see if it's going to go more higher. That's possible. Second thing, from here going to fall down to test one of those moving averages. Stronger zone, as you see it, based on the volume profile, that one here. And I'm going to tell you other levels. You need to look close at them. Let me show it to you. Levels we got for today, guys. We got that level here, 111,959. We got that level down here, 106,990. We got even that level down here, 102,603. And we're going to see which one of them going to be touched. And you can take any action when it touch any level of those ones. We told you what to do if you want our support. Now, let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. By the way, guys, that channel here, you watching me in it, is going to be just analyzing the Bitcoin. We open another channel. Is it for other cryptocurrencies like the Sol, Ethereum, XRP? So if you want just Bitcoin, you're going to find it here. If you want the Sol, XRP, Ethereum, you're going to find the link of other channel, maybe in description, or you enter to our channel and you're going to find it. If you are in our community, we will share you the link there. That way, us every time we're telling you can join our community free, my friend. Everything, all the links, we're going to find them down. But it's up to you. Now here, based on the Bitcoin here in 4 hours, guys, it's breaking here the top of the down channel here. Also being talking about, also we show it to you. If you remember, we show you that flag here. That's possible, guys. Maybe it's going to go more higher. Second scenario, what is it here? If you came and you focus it with me here like that, and we came and we zoom it out like that, what you seeing? What you see, guys? I want to know from you down in a comment what you see. That's a very common pattern here. It's happening, guys. What is it? Look at it. You see it or no now? Again, very clear head and shoulder, guys. As you see it in front of you, and it's breaking the neckline here, indicating maybe the Bitcoin is going to go more higher after the break here. That's possible. Second scenario, what is it? Because that's very important scenario, guys. If you see in with me here, we have to go back to the past. You see that zone here. We touched it the first, second, and now we touch it even today. What that going to indicate? Should you enter or take an action now? Me personally, I'm not going to enter. and need a extra confirmation like a price action or something there, because everything can happen. Because look at it here, even with a price action here, it gives us here a double top to reach down till here, then it bounce above. Even that one, it's possible. Now what you need to look, that one here, that uptrend here, you see it from here and here is like that how we draw it. You need to look at it if that market fall down and break it down here for you to take some action or to enter a short, my friend. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here in Bitcoin in 4 hours here. We touched yesterday the 200 moving average. We show it to you. Now look at us where we are. What is it, the view? Maybe Bitcoin is going to fall down again to test one of those moving averages, the 20 or the 50, which is exactly at 107k. That's possible. Second scenario, that means there is no correction, and from here it's going to go more higher. That's possible, even that one. But based on the history, what happened every time when you break in a head and shoulder like that, it always the market do like that, fall down to liquidate or to grab that liquidity which is down here below the second shoulder. Even that one is possible. So also we are ready for all scenarios. So I think I explained everything. I was going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Based on our indicator, guys, today it was very close to touch for us extreme overbought area, but it hasn't. Now let's see what's going to happen here when we touch it here. Maybe from here we're going to dump again. That's possible. Second scenario, also now we are in a zone where it's only bulls the contrain. That means technically also we are in a bull market. All I think, guys, that market doesn't got a clear direction or doesn't got a volatility those days. So you need to be careful if you go into trade it. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in yesterday video, we show you that downtrend here, the one, and we told if it's breaking here, you can take some action here. Look at it, exactly doing that. Now what the market do here, you got here an uptrend like that. That uptrend here is getting broke here. Me personally, I haven't taken any action yet. We got a small head and shoulder here in 5 minutes. Even that one, me, I haven't based nothing on it. Now watch me, I'm looking here if the market going to give me like that, like a double top. If that happen, I'm going to take some trades here, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today to explain to you why. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here extreme overbought area. We got here a small bearish divergence here, as you see it here. Based on that small head and shoulder here in 5 minutes, I can base my entry or my action based on it. Now watch me, I'm looking at that one here. That here, if the market going to give me here a double top or triple top, head and shoulder, something like that, for me to catch an entry, and that's what me I'm waiting now. We told you if you want even you to see us what we're doing behind the scene and you want to get our support to chat to me, you can join us. All the links are down. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.